today we are going to discuss the new topic, prime factorization. So basically there are two methods of prime factorization. First is factor tree method and the another one is division method. So before starting these two methods, first of all I would like to tell you what are prime numbers, right? So a prime number, I am telling what is prime number. So basically the numbers which have exactly two factors. Okay, means ऐसे नंबर जिसके केवल टू फैक्टर्स होते हैं, ठीक है? So I'm writing here which have exactly two factors only, right? And they are only one and itself mean to say that exactly two factors. I hope you all would have understood this, that what is the meaning of exactly two factors. That means कि उनके केवल दो ही फैक्टर होते हैं, only two factors. And the next point is one and itself. It means this कि जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ बात की, I told you that there are two factors only. तो वो two factors कौन से हैं? So first is one, यानी उसमें जो first है उन दो two factors में से जो एक है वो one है, and another one is itself. That means वो number खुद ही उसका एक factor है. So let's take an example. Suppose if I am talking about say 5, right? So 5 has only two factors. They are one, yes, I told you one, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि वो तो ये 1 होगा और वो खुद होगा, और उसका दूसरा फैक्टर क्या है? एक तो 1 हो गया और दूसरा वो नंबर खुद यानी कि 5. So 5 has only and only two factors. Means अगर आप ट्राई भी करेंगे, चेक भी करेंगे, तो 5 किसी और टेबल में नहीं आएगा केवल 1 और 5 के अलावा. You will not get 5 in any other table except this one and itself like 5, right? So that's why this 5 is a prime number. Similarly, if I talk about say 4, so 4 will come in table of 1 4 time, right? In table of 2, similarly in table of 4. So according to the definition of prime numbers, I told you that it has exactly two factors, but as we all can see it has three factors, 1 2 3. यानी जो 4 है वो 1 के टेबल में आएगा, 2 के टेबल में आएगा और 4 के टेबल में भी आएगा. That means this number 4 has three factors. That means more than 2. जबकि हमें यहाँ बताया था केवल और केवल 2 ही factors होंगे. That means that 4 is not a prime number. 4 prime number नहीं है, right? Similarly, if I talk about 7, so 7 has also only two factors, that is 1 and 7. So 7 will not come in any other table except 1 and itself, that means 7. यानी तो वो 1 के टेबल में आएगा और या वो खुद 7 के टेबल में आएगा. So these types of numbers are called prime numbers, right? So while explaining these two methods, I'll be using one word, prime factors, right? Prime factors. I'll be using this term. So here prime factors means also the same. Prime factors means the factors which are prime, यानी ऐसे factors जो कि prime है. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, suppose किसी का कोई factor आ रहा है 6, तो 6 is not a prime number, so 6 is also not a prime factor, यानी 6 prime factor भी नहीं होगा. तो prime factor का means भी वही होगा कि जो भी एक prime number है. I hope you all would have understood. Now we can continue these two methods. Here sir, I have written some prime numbers for your convenience. So between 1 to 20. So like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. So but if I say that what about those which are skipped? नहीं, जो नंबर मैंने यहाँ से skip कर दिए हैं उन numbers को भी तो कुछ बोलते ही होंगे. जैसे कि these numbers which I have written, these are the prime numbers. So what do we call them? Which have more than two factors, या which have less than two factors, right? So जैसे कि ये वो numbers हैं, ये prime numbers हैं. That means जिनके exactly two factors हैं. But ऐसे भी कुछ numbers हैं जिसके two factors से भी कम हैं. That means which have only one factor. Similarly, there are some numbers which have more than two factors. Not some, there are many numbers. So what do we call them? So first of all, as you can observe here, that I have skipped here 1. So I have also not written here 1. So I am raising from here. So because that 1 has only and only one factor, which is we can say 1 or itself. यानी कि जो 1 है उसका केवल और केवल एक ही फैक्टर होता है, 1 फैक्टर होता है, वो क्या होता है 1. लेकिन to be a prime number, this number should have 2 factors. यानी prime number बनने के लिए इसके पास 2 factors होने चाहिए, लेकिन उसके पास वो तो नहीं है. It has only 1 factor. So that's why we will not keep this, we will not use this number 1 in the category of prime numbers. Similarly, the numbers which have more than 2 factors, right? Like जैसे कि the numbers we have skipped from here, like वो जैसे कि 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. These numbers have more than 2 factors. So we call these numbers like composite number. Composite numbers. So these numbers have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Means they can have 3 factors, 4, 5, 7, 8. These can have more than 2 factors. And the number which have exactly 2 factors, they are prime numbers. The number which have only 1 factor, that is 1, we call this number as a unique number. So I think we should not. So we should move forward for the next 2 methods, factor tree method and division method. So let me raise this. Now the first method is factor tree method. So what is factor tree method? Here, let's take an example. I am taking here 12. So what we have to do in factor tree method, we have to write 12 as a product of one prime number and another can be prime or composite. यानी एक हमें जो 12 को एक प्रोडक्ट लिखना है, यानी एक पेयर में उस पेयर में से एक नंबर तो आपका प्राइम होना चाहिए और दूसरा नंबर कैन बी अ प्राइम और अ composite. So let's start with 2, which is the first prime number. So I am writing here 2 6 times. So as you all can see that in this pair of product of 12, this number is prime. So we have to write the prime number in the left side. Now let's take this another number which is composite. Okay. So once again you will write here 2 3 times. So 6 is also written in the pair of 2 and 3. 2 multiply 3 is 6. And once again the prime number we have written in the left side. But here you all can observe that this is a prime number, this is a prime number and this is also a prime number. यानी हमें जब तक इसको ऐसे फैक्टर्स में लिखते रहना है until unless we are not getting both prime number. यानी जब तक दोनों ही इस पेयर के दोनों ही नंबर्स प्राइम नहीं मिलते, we will continue this method. So as you all can see, we have got both the prime number here. So it has got finished here. So we will write here 12, like 2 multiply 2 means these prime numbers only, and 3. So 2 times 4, 4 3 times 12. So I hope you all could have understood this. Let's take another number. Say I am taking now 54. 54. So once again as I told you, I'll start with 2. अगर 2 से possible नहीं होता है, यानी ऐसा कोई number है जो 2 से divisible नहीं है, okay, then we will reach to next number which is 3, or we can use 5, 7 according to the given number. So first number 54, this is divisible by 2. So first of all we will write as a product of 2 and 27. So 27 times is 54, in which in this pair this is a prime number. Similarly, take this number which is a composite number. So if I say that if I'm that I am trying by 2, so we all know very well that 27 is not divisible by 2. So now we can take the another number 3. We have to check कि ये क्या ये 3 से है? As we all know, yes, this is divisible by 3. So in place of 2, now we will take the another number, prime number, which is 3. So 3 9 times. And as I told you that the prime number will be written in the left side. Now 3 9 times 27. Similarly 3 times 9. So as you all can see that now in this pair both the numbers are prime numbers. So it has got finished. So you write here 54 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 and into 3. That means the product of only and only prime numbers. So I hope you all could have understood this. Similarly, move to next method, which is division method. So what is a division method? So I will take the same numbers to make you understand properly. So I am taking here first number as 12. This is very simple. Let me erase this. So what is the prime factorization of 12 by division method? So for this, first of all, you will have to draw one vertical and one horizontal line, right? And now we will start again by the first prime number, which is 2. If it is possible to divide this 12 by 2, right? So as we all know, 12 is divisible by 2. So we write here 2 6 times. Further, we will check with 2 3 times. But here we all know that 3 is not divisible by 2. So we will go to next number, which is 3. So 3 1 time. So here we have to check that at last we must get here 1. इन हमें लास्ट में इस पार्ट में हमें 1 मिलना चाहिए. ओके, तभी हम इसको स्टॉप करेंगे, रोकेंगे. सो इट हैज गॉट फिनिश्ड हियर. ओके, सो वी विल रिप्रेजेंट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 लाइक 2 means these numbers which are given in left part of this. 2 into 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 and 3. Okay. Similarly, I am taking the same number 54, which I have taken earlier, but this time I will do by division method. So this is 54. So once again we will start with 2. So 2 27 times. But as we all know, the 27 is not divisible by 2. So now we have to take the another number, which is 3. So 3 9 times. Then once again 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 times. Once again by 3 1 time. So we have got here 1 at last. So it means it has got finished here. So we will write 54 like 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 2 and 3 times 3. 2 1 2 3 times 3. So it has got finished here. So I hope you all would have understood these two methods of prime factorization. First is prime factoring method, and the one is division method. So practice both the methods with different numbers to understand the concept and the method of these two methods, method of prime factorization by using two methods properly. So thanks for watching it.